Hello everyone, today we are talking about special triangles. So, there are two kinds of special triangles that we need to be aware of. The first one is known as the 45-45-90, and the other one is the 30-60-90. Now as you can see, the 45-45-90 is an isosceles triangle, meaning that two sides will have the same length. The ratio for this one is 1, 1, square root of 2. The other special triangle is the 30-60-90, and those ratios are going to be 1, square root of 3, and 2. Just a reminder that the square root of 3 is equivalent to roughly 1.732, and it keeps on going. So a common question that we normally get is, how do I know which side matches with which ratio? For the 45-45-90, this is pretty easy because we know that two sides with the same angles need to have the same length. So we know that each 45 degrees gets a length of 1. 1 here, 1 here, leaving the square root of 2 to match with the 90-degree angle. For the 30-60-90, a lot of students struggle with figuring out which ratio goes with which angle. The reminder is that the bigger an angle gets, the longer of a length it will need to match it with. So we know that the smallest angle here was 30 degrees, and the shortest length was 1. So 30 gets the 1. 60 was with the ratio of square root of 3, because again, square root of 3 was roughly equivalent to that 1.732, so on and so forth. And lastly, the 90-degree gets the ratio matching with 2. I hope this video has helped you clarify on how to match special triangles with their respective ratios. Please make sure to smash that like button and support us by subscribing to the channel and increasing your math knowledge. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.